Oh, don't do that because she'll be scared of it. No, no, Caden, don't do that. Get back, honey. Get back.
Skipping the thing that Hosanna said to eat it. She dropped it.
I just glasses I missed.
Fergie's out here.
Don't let her out. I don't want her to get... Well, she won't go in the water anyways.
She'll be okay. I'm giving her a shirt. Look at Hosanna. Come on in. The water's great.
Are you having fun, Hosanna?
Mom, let her out.
Are you having fun, Mama's girl?
Caden, put that back. Let's see.
Freezing.
Furry's not going to go.
Want to see Shuma? Mommy wants out too. Just
Come here, Mom. Come on, Mom. Come on.
Oh, jeez Louise.
Okay, no offense, but she runs like serenity.
Yeah, this is.
Look, she's in there.
Oh, this is cold.
Oh. Oh, Fergie's peeing. Look, good girl.
She's in there.
Look, she's a good girl.
Is okay?
Oh, crapola. Hey, hey.
Hosanna, no! No!
Hosanna.
No!
No. Oh. Brody, go get a towel. Hurry.
No.
Hosanna's all, come on, let's play!
What happened, Ferg? Ferg. Fergie, what happened? What happened? Oh, gosh. Where'd you go?
She said, Mom, she drugged me out there.
Jeez, Hosanna, you're like Shamu.
I know. Like, oh shit. I know she went her on purpose, but I know she's really excited right now.
Babe, where's the towel? Fergie's freezing out here.